have been in the Infinity Scholars Hub since like 5 or 6 months, and my experience so far has been really good and like encouraging as well to pursue my goals and everything. So yeah. They really, the way they teach in the class, it's really interacting and it's easy to remember, and it's not so, like there are so many complex topics but they break into like simpler ones, so it's quite easy to catch them up. So yeah, I really like the study pattern and everything. No, not really. I actually thought that 11th and 12th grade would be really stressful for me, but right now I don't really feel that much thanks to the faculty and the way they teach. So yeah, no stress or something at this point. So yeah. Yes, actually they really conduct CPTs, that is competitive pattern tests. So in that I do face some issues in my time management. Recently I asked one of the faculty to help me with it, and he really did help me a lot, and at this point I am practicing and those techniques to see the performance and improvement, everything. So yeah. At this point I don't really feel that I would face that much difficulty thanks to all the preparation and the way they guide us. So at that point I think a lot of practice would be done by me. So I don't think so that I would be nervous or something like that. Yeah, actually I feel very comfortable. The environment's really friendly and peaceful, so you can actually concentrate and focus really well. And if you have any doubts, you can ask the teacher, and the teachers are usually available for you to solve the doubts.